Planning your month consistently for the whole year can be very challenging if you are new to planning or have been unsuccessful to complete it every month. So, this is my small attempt to motivate you in planning your every month of 2022. Welcome back to my channel Living in Bengaluru. My name is Smita and stay tuned on the 25th of every month. Plan your next month with me and get motivated to stay consistent. I'll be posting the planning video on my channel. So if you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much, and if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button below to get all the updates. Planning a video every month for the next 10 months on the 25th may be a big commitment for me right now, but I'm sure I'll be successful with all your support. In today's video, we will review a month of January as well as plan for the next month of February. Before we start the planning, keep your planner books ready, keep your stationeries ready, your stickers and whatever you want to keep. I'll be posting videos on every 25th, but in case you're not able to plan on the 25th of every month, that's for the next month, you could always do it a little later. Video will be on my channel, so you could use this as a motivation to update your planner every month. Now, why am I doing on the 25th is because I'm also planning to do a meal planning on 27th of every month. So that is the reason I will just finish this a little early. A few things I will keep it pending to be filled up at the end of the month, a few of these sections. So coming straight to the month of Jan, I have to review the monthly review. So I will just see my goals, how my days went and how were my monthly habit trackers, how did it go, and I will just write a rough. I'm so happy because if you see my monthly wellness tracker, most of my days this month have been really good. I hardly have a few days that went bad. I think only 1, 2, 3 days have been bad. The rest of the days have been amazing. Another week to go for this month. So since I have to post the video, I'm shooting it a little earlier. You could always leave this spaces empty, a few of the things, and write it generally for 3 weeks, and the last week whatever happens you can fill it up later on. So coming to my habit tracker, not very great. I wanted to keep myself hydrated. You can see a very few days I have actually had 8 cups of water. A few of my days not good. My miracle morning routine very well done. Medicines, whatever I am supposed to take, I've taken them. And my task list, from the past 1 week I haven't done task list. It's not feeling that good, so I've not completed all my task list. Now coming here, my goals with respect to this channel, whatever goals I had, I have completed most of them. I think with respect to the other channel that I do, the teaching channel, that is the channel which I'm still lagging behind. I need to work a little more on it. Waking up at 5 a.m. absolutely done, but yeah, a few days I've still skipped waking up at 5 a.m. and I think I need to be more consistent on this. So I will write an overall review of my month here. So I've written a rough monthly review of what I think this month was. I think for me this month was a great thing. I hope all of you had a great month of January. I'm sure even you will have lovely successes that you had for this month. Okay, now this was one, and I think among all these tasks for the month I have done good. Every month, every day I have written my tasks and tried to complete as much as possible. There was one blank page I have to still complete next 1 week. There was one blank page here, so I changed this blank page into happy moments of January 2022. I thought, why not use it like a gratitude, thankful for whatever good has happened to me. Most of the times we remember only the bad things, but yeah, this idea I got recently, so I have not got enough time to fill up this, so I have just written only a few things. So as and when I remember, I will just jot it down here. But I think for February also I'm going to make this blank page as happy moments of January 2020. Monthly habit tracker. Okay, like great. Need to still work on this. More improvement needed. Monthly meal plan for January, I had not written it in this book. I had written it in another book. But anyways, I think from February I'll start writing in this book. Monthly wellness tracker. Going great. Let's see another week. I've still left this page blank. Now coming to the month of February. Let us start planning for the month of February. The first page, as usual, I write my motivational quote here, goals, to-dos and monthly review. So what I'll do, I'll take this motivation quote, put it on my March tab, and I will just fill up this place. You all can use it the way you all want, guys. It need not be only motivational quotes. If you all want, you can use this as a gratitude page. You can use it as a affirmation page or anything that you would like to use it for. So these are my motivational quotes. A little progress each day adds up to big results, and if you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Let me know in the comment section below how many of you think this is so right about us, that the minute we get tired, we said forget it, we are not going to do this, I'm tired. Okay, so if you get tired, learn to rest and not to quit. Very, very important. I love this quote. So coming to the goals, to-dos and monthly reviews, again just like Jan, I'm going to write the same way. So what I'll do, goals, to-dos and monthly review, I'll just put it back in. I'll take the sticky notes and put it in March. At any point in time, if you all think, guys, that this is not, what it is for you, then you can change the way you want it. You don't have to stick to something every month. I may, going forward somewhere in April or May, I may even change the whole layout of this. So you need not stick to the same layout for the whole year. If you would like to change your layout every month, you could just go ahead and do so. So I think I'm done with the planning of the February. So we write the goals, and then I've written a few to-dos that I have to do for this month, as well as left a blank space to write a monthly review, that which I'm going to do in the month. So going to the next page here, if you don't remember or if you haven't seen my January video, I've told you how to make this list for every month so that you can be sure that you have not missed on something. So this is one more thing that I have put up here so that I can fill up all the dates in this page. So I'm going to start with this birthday and anniversary and fill up here. Then events, appointments, meetings, YouTube schedule, exam schedule, submission, tracker setup, monthly tracker plan with me, and all these things I will just fill it up here. So now I'll start writing these, and once I'm done writing these, I will shift this page to the month of March. so for this month, I think for the month of February, that's it. I'm going to post totally 9 videos in 2 different channels. A few of the events that I can remember, but I don't see anything much happening for the month of February. I think that's it. As and when I remember, I will put down here, because generally my shoot videos depends on each of the days, may not be exactly this way, so I may put down some notes here and I will write the shoot videos here. So this is it for the month of February. I'm done with the appointments. So what I'll do, I still have the tracker set up and the monthly tracker. Now monthly tracker is what monthly tracker I have done in the beginning of the pages, that is here. If you see in this place, I have my followers, the Living in Bengaluru and my Simple Learning, both my channels followers and the Instagram followers. So this was earlier the budget planning, which I changed into. So this I'm going to track only on the 31st of January, so not before that. Then coming to my tracker setup, that is going forward towards the, I'll just put this in the month of March so that I don't miss out this page. Just put it here. So the monthly habit tracker, generally what I track here, water. For next month also I want to keep track of my water. My water intake is so bad and I'm so sad about it. So my miracle morning routine, the 2D task. This 2D is an app in my phone in which I have daily chores of my house. Let me know if anybody wants to know how and yeah, the last one, my medicines that I have to take every day. So that is it, guys. So for the month of February, I'm going to track these 4. Then coming to monthly meal plan, I will do this on the 27th. And then mini monthly wellness tracker, again I will use this golden glittery for a good day, a lighter blue for an okay day, and whatever this is, a black or a darker silver for a not so good day, not good day. Then going on to the next page, again we have only one empty page. Actually in January I had one here blank page, and we had one blank page at the end here. After the month got over, 31st, I had one empty page, but here I don't see that empty page, because after this, after the 28th, it's directly habit tracker. I think that's because this 31st gets over here and then they didn't have space. They need the whole thing for monthly, so that's why they left one page. So anyways, I don't have, and I am not going to use. I'll use only this one page for the. So I'll jot down whatever you think. If you think you want to write your gratitude page, then you can write it as a gratitude page, or whatever you wish to, but I thought I'm going to write it, jot down my happy moments for the month of February. So I think I'm done with the month of Feb. This is how it looks if I start from the month of February. The first, my motivational quotes, the goals and to-dos for the month of February. Coming here, my YouTube schedule. This is empty. And then meal plan, we keep it for, monthly habit tracker. After habit tracker, monthly meal plan for the 27th. Then we have wellness tracker, which is already set, and happy moments of February 2022. Now I need only to decorate a few things. I hope you all have got a little motivation on how to plan your every month. So I'm giving you a date on 25th. Please log in and check my YouTube channel for the monthly plan. We can plan the month together on every 25th. So hope you all like this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think this helped you in planning your month of February? Make sure you keep some time free to plan for your next month, either on the 25th when I upload the video or a few days later on. That's it, guys. I hope you all like this video. I'll see you again super soon on the 27th with the meal plan. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below. Thank you and bye-bye.